This is basically the ongoing problem. I have a great picture and great audio right here because I'm on the dock. The minute we go there, we have a problem. I can't talk to you. Here, I can talk to you. There, I can't talk to you. So, I mean, let's put it this way. This is a better idea than me shaving my beard. Alright guys, so this is the plan. I'm so excited to show you this. So we got this float here. Got this mount, it's got a suction arm, and this has got a GoPro, GoPro case audio adapt, GoPro screw, cheap microphone with wind muff, but still way better than the internal audio, better than a GoPro with a dive case on. That's it. Dude, how cool is that? It is so strong, I can actually hold it by the GoPro and it can carry the entire float. I mean, this is gonna be so cool. I guess like really the question that I have at this point, can you be quiet, birds? Seriously? That's a cool woodpecker though. The only question I have at this point, is this something that I want to tell the guys about? Oh, by the way, this up here, if you notice this, I had stitches on my head. No big deal, I'm fine, just a little scab. All right, cool. Let's get our stuff together and get on the boat. Dude, check that out. How cool is that? I'm like not good at packing my stuff up. I'll just be honest with you. That was not good. I'm not good at packing my stuff up. I'll be honest with you. I pretty much try to at least forget one thing every single trip. Yeah, so I was talking to my new buddy Juan here, and we walk up to the boat right near where the new GoPro float is, and he said, "Oh man, that's a nice rig." I thought he was talking about my GoPro float. He was just talking about my boat. So far, no one's as excited as I am, but whatever. Let's see if we can draw it out of him. Hang on. So Juan, what do you think about this GoPro float right here we got going here?
I think it looks pretty sick.
Pretty sick? Okay.
I've never seen anything like it.
All right. You think it's gonna work?
I think so. Did you come up with that?
Just made it up, bud. Just made it up. So you give it a thumbs up? You give it a thumbs up?
By Cuban standards?
Cuban?
You got it, man.
Okay. Cuban, do it yourself. Miami standards, we got a victory already.
Got it. Ingenuity, yeah.
Engineering, ingenuity, creativity.
Execution.
Lack of a fear of any sort of risk of destroying your gear. Right?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
It's no game. You gotta do it for the gram.
It's not for the gram.
You gotta do it for the tube.
Yeah, that's better. Do it for YouTube. Exactly. Doing it for you guys.
Why is it on the float?
What do floats do?
Float.
In the
Ocean.
Okay. What do GoPros have that have dive cases on? What do they have bad? Bad audio.
I think you need to go teach at that Montessori school, bro.
Yeah, but this is going like with the cobia and the bull shark?
See, yeah, so it's just me and the GoPro float up here in the front alone now. Those guys were, I mean, I'm not going to say they were mean, but they definitely weren't supportive of my dream. And, you know, they said there's going to be water in the microphone, water in the cords, the GoPro's going to fall off, a shark's going to eat it. I don't know, it's just... But Juan wants to run the boat, so I guess I just have to put the GoPro float in the water and see what happens. I feel like it's kind of like, almost like my child almost. Is that weird? I don't want to lose it. I don't want it to get hurt. Don't they know we're recording here? Come on. yeah, I just feel like it's kind of like my baby, and I don't want anything bad to happen to her. So, all right, I guess we'll have to do it. I'm gonna gear up, and then we're gonna put her in the water.
We can run away.
I don't think anyone looks cool with a wetsuit and a mask on. It's just not possible.
James looks pretty cool.
Okay, so someone's saying James looks cool.
Not with the snorkel.
All right, maiden voyage, guys. Anticlimactic. I was a little bit more excited, but now that this is in, I don't know what to think, I guess. I guess we'll have to shoot some and review the footage later, but visibility's nice. Tommy's got the flashers going. Oh yeah, probably see 40, 50 feet down. That's awesome. So guys, we're at about 120 feet here on one of our wrecks that we like to dive a lot at. And we're just hoping the bull sharks come up. The cobia are attached to them and we could shoot them. Water for maybe 60 seconds and we already have 5 bull sharks under flashers and we've already seen about 5 cobia. So far, haven't shot any. It's been a little spooky.
Nice one.
But nice one. What do you think, Tommy?
Yeah, there's 2.
Typically the cobia kind of follow around the laziest bull sharks that don't want to come up to the surface. So they're coming up, they're kind of checking out what's going on, and then they just dive right back down and the cobia follow them. So we're just gonna have to keep waiting, but the good news is that if we do this the right way and we stick it out at the right moment, when the right shark comes up, it could be loaded with cobia, and that's when the magic happens.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn.
I swear things never go my way when their GoPro's recording. Saw a shark with probably about 20 cobia on it. Lined up on the biggest one. Good clean shot right through the gill plates. Did not stone the fish. 8mm shaft. Sharks got him. No more cobia.
You should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Woo! What it's all about. Walk me through it, bud. What happened?
Wasn't expecting to see him yet,
Yeah.
but it was pretty fishy, so I took a shot. Went down. Sure enough, they were right on the outside. They just started coming up to me. Picked the biggest one. Not the best shot, but it was secure.
I saw you like 15 feet down and you're looking and then all of a sudden you're like, oh yeah, they're there. And you're like, I got this.
Great teamwork, by the way.
Nice work, buddy.
Yeah, good job.
Nice fish. 4 big cobia in the box, a couple snapper, a really nice mutton snapper. Had an absolute blast here with Tommy, Juan, and Jamesy, and of course MVP for the day, GoPro Float, our 5th wheel, 5th cameraman, and absolutely came through with flying colors. So you guys were all right too, but I mean, come on.
Yeah.
You know this thing came through, right?
Look good.
GoPro Float, definitely. If you don't have one, check it out. They're for sale down. No, that's not true. They're not for sale.
The float?
Yeah, no. I'm not selling them.
Love comes to love.